In the last 7 days, I've gained over 5,000 new Instagram followers, with my account reaching over 1.2 million accounts in just 7 days, totaling me to 55,000 followers to the time of this recording. Hey creatives, my name's Seb. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my best Instagram Reels tips and tricks that you need to know in 2021. Now, just before we get started, if you are new here, welcome. My name's Seb. This channel is all about videography, video editing, and photography, and sometimes we do social media. So if that does sound interesting to you, then do consider hitting the subscribe button. So I've been posting on Instagram Reels for a few months now, and I've had quite a few videos that have hit over 1 million views, and I'm consistently gaining hundreds of followers every single day for the past 3 months now. So I thought I would make this video sharing with you some of my best tips and tricks that I use on Instagram Reels, so you too can start gaining followers really fast. So let's start off with tip number 1, which is if you want instant growth on Instagram, you really need to put in the work. Now, what I mean by this is that you have to be posting consistently at least 5 to 7 times every single week. Now, this isn't including normal posts, because I don't do any normal posts whatsoever. I just post Reels almost every single day. And the main reason why I'm saying you need to be posting consistently is because your account needs to be getting interactions almost every single day. So Instagram deems your account as active, and it's going to consistently start pushing out content to other people. Now, just for example, I took a week off about 2 weeks ago, and I only posted 1 video in that week, and my Instagram growth just instantly died out. You can see in the graph right now, I was gaining like only 20 followers every single day compared to the usual weeks where I'm gaining like 500 followers every single day. Now, this is because my account was deemed as not active because I wasn't posting, I wasn't replying to any comments, wasn't DMing anyone. And basically, if my account is not active, then Instagram's not going to be pushing out my content. So even if you are posting consistently and then you take a break, Instagram's going to notice and then it's going to stop pushing out your content. So try and be consistent as much as you can, have a regular schedule, and your growth is going to be consistent throughout that time. Tip number 2 is going to be utilizing as many Instagram Reels tools as possible. So what I mean by this is using text, using auto caption, using music, using the brand new music auto slider, and also the Instagram tag feature. So some of these features may not be available to you at the moment. Some of them just rolled out to me. So at the moment, I have the new Instagram music slider. So if you're utilizing all these new features, the way I think about it is Instagram needs data for this sort of stuff. So if you're using it in your videos, it means that Instagram's going to be pushing out your content a lot more because it needs the data for those new features. So if you're utilizing them in your videos, then you have a higher chance of Instagram pushing out your content to more people. Tip number 3 is going to be sharing your Reels to your feed and your stories. Whenever you're creating a Reels, it will ask you if you want to share it to your feed. Now, you have to say yes to this. The main reason towards this is that it's going to give you an extra boost in engagement. You're going to get all this engagement from your followers while it's on the explore page at the same time. And then if your followers are interacting with your content and they like it, that's going to tell Instagram, say, hey, this content is really good. Let's push it out to more people on the Reels explore page. And then you're just going to get loads more interactions, followers, and views on your videos, and that's going to help you grow a lot faster. Sharing your Reels to your stories is also going to give you extra engagement because each story view also counts as a reel view. So if you're getting like 5,000 views on your story, you're going to be getting 5,000 extra views on your Instagram Reels. Tip number 4 is keep your account engaged. Now, this kind of goes along with tip number 1, but what I mean by this is whenever you have a spare minute, go onto your posts and then reply to all your comments, reply to your DMs. This is going to tell Instagram that you're being active on your account, you're engaging with your community and your followers, and it's just going to help boost your account. Now, obviously, the Instagram app isn't the best place to do this because it's really hard to track all your comments and all that sort of stuff. So what I recommend you do is go on the Facebook Creator Studio, link up your Instagram account to that, and then you'll have a platform where you can reply to all your comments from your desktop, and you can also access all your messages from there. And it's just a really easy way to interact with everyone on Instagram. Tip number 5 is remove any watermarks or logos you may have in your videos. On February the 9th, Instagram said themselves that they do not like these watermarks that are coming from third-party apps, and they're actually going to cap your engagement on this. So your videos are only going to be shown to your followers and it's not going to be pushed out to the explore page, which basically means that your video is just going to be capped only to your followers and you're not going to get any extra growth or followers from those videos. So one workaround for this is that you can go to this link in the description down below, which will allow you to download your TikTok videos without any watermarks. And another workaround for this is whenever you're editing your videos on TikTok, Once you're done with the video, you can screen record your phone, then you can tap on the video while it's playing back, and then once you're done, exit it, stop the screen recording, and then go into your camera roll, and then you can trim the video and resize it, and then you'll have your full video from TikTok without any watermarks at the maximum quality you can get on your phone. And once you've done that, all you have to do is open up Instagram, and then you can post it to the Reels tab. Tip number 6 is optimize your on-screen text placement. Many users on Instagram expect their content to be quick and easily digestible, so whenever you're posting your Reels to your feed, you'll actually notice that it's been cropped to a 4:5 aspect ratio, so it crops the top and the bottom of your video. So if you're placing text at the top and the bottom, you won't easily be able to read it in the main feed section, so just be wary to set your text within the 4:5 aspect ratio of the Reels, so then it's easily placed within the feed as well as the Reels section in Instagram. Tip number 7 is don't get discouraged if your videos aren't getting any views yet. Stay consistent, the views will come. Now I actually speak about this in my other tips and tricks video, but it took me over 27 videos for my first video to get over 10,000 views. Now this wasn't because the content wasn't good, because I was reposting videos from TikTok which were performing really well, but it's mainly because Instagram doesn't know who you are and what kind of content you post. So it's going to have to take a bit of time for it to analyze what you post, and eventually it will start pushing out your content to more people, and then you'll start seeing the followers and the views following along with that. So the main takeaway from this is be patient, stay consistent with your posting, and don't get discouraged if your videos aren't getting any views yet, because it will come eventually. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I have posted another tips and tricks video on how I grew from 0 to 10,000 followers in 1 month. If you want to check that out, I'll link that in the description down below, and I also have an Instagram Reels playlist with a bunch of other videos I've made in the past. Thanks a lot for watching. If you did like it, then do leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.